Welcome to Hectare, Azerbaijan. Imagine strolling through 350 hectares of mind-blowing fruit orchards. Founded in 2017, Agrarco.az got you covered with top-notch fresh fruits and hazelnuts. They're all about growing, producing, and exporting their own goodies from over 350 hectares of fruit orchards and more than 1,600 hectares of hazelnut orchards. Say hello to 670,000 trees. Can you feel that fresh air? High oxygen. Agrarco cultivates a wide variety of fruits. Get ready to get up close and personal. We've got apples, pears, peaches, nectarines, apricots, cherries, quince, persimmons, and more. It's a green paradise. These fruit orchards are chillin' in Hectare, up in northern Azerbaijan, far from the hustle and bustle of big cities and highways. This means their products are clean and top quality. How about this? 6 million kilograms of fruits come from Hectare. Crazy, right? During harvest season, over 12,000 people join the team. It's all about that eco-friendly work vibe. Shout out to our hardworking crew in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more, because we care about you as much as we care about our orchards. Once the fruits are harvested, fast forward to our cold storage complex, where they're sorted and stored in our 5,000-ton storage capacity and 26 refrigeration units with sorting and packaging lines. Impressive, right? Let's dive in deeper. Here are 5 manual sorting lines. We've got machines to wash and clean apples and hand sort fruits to get rid of any that don't make the cut, ensuring you get the best. Next step, placing fruits in plastic boxes for easier transport. Ready for some big numbers? Our automated sorting lines handle 168,000 kilograms per day. Can you believe that? We also have special equipment to check the size, color, and any defects in the fruits. These apples are like big fluffy pillows. Time for weighing. Want to take a shot at guessing some numbers? Hand-picking fruits is a crucial part of our process. Transporting fruits to the refrigerated units keeps them fresh. We don't mess around. We always have packed fruits ready for sale. Growing, packing, and shipping our produce allows Agrarco to control the quality every step of the way. Most of our fruits are exported, with a small share sold domestically.